Have you ever seen a rising slider? Well, this is ridiculous. Tyler Rogers almost scrapes his knuckles on the mound and throws this insane, absolute unhittable filth.